What the?
How did it do that?
I didn't do that, but it's going freaky on me. Look, do you see that?
Yeah.
It could be the light. Sometimes light disrupts the signal. Ooh. Ah! Can you get that? I'm just kidding.
Nice one, Daniel.
Get that?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Turn off the lights, Chris.
Yeah, let me turn off the lights so it doesn't go all haywire.
No, don't tilt it, don't tilt it.
No, I'm just kidding.
I'll tell you, no, I'll tell you when to let go. Let go.
Let go.
No, not, yeah, hold it straight and let go.
Let it go quickly.
Now it's fine. Nope. Can you get that for you?
Of course.
I'm gonna close this thing.
Ready? I just want to. I'm not let it go. Don't worry.
No, it's not gonna
Oh,
let
it
go.
goes down.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it brings it down.
Yeah, it goes down quickly though.
No.
Wait, do it again.
No, it's not going to down.
I know. I won't let it go.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it goes
Oh,
down.
that doesn't sound good.
Dude, chill.
That doesn't sound good. Hold it straight up. Sounds weaker. I'll tell you when to let go of it. Let go of it. No, on the counter. Just
Let it go suddenly, like really quickly. Yeah.
Yeah, Jerry, don't move your head. Just think head. Don't move your head.
Let it go.
Can I grab it?
Oh, it's going dead.
Nope, I took a picture.
Nice. Can you take another picture?
I can take a video.
Okay, take a video.
Hi, helicopter. Okay.
He is. Wow, that's cool.
Is that the
Hey,
video?
we're recording each other.
But the video quality is not the best and there's no sound.
Oh.
It's got good flying characteristics though, right? It's stable.
Yo, I
Fine,
want
but
to.
there's not light and it's not disrupting your signal. It goes straight.
Whoa. I'm shocked.
Watch. I'm not touching anything. Let me just get it on a straight path. I'm not touching anything. Look, it's just going straight. It turns a little bit at the end, but it's got pretty good flight dynamics. End video.
Show us the
Once you get
landing.
the hang of flying this, dude, it's pretty damn fun to fly.
How's it land? Can you land it good?
It always lands on its side, but I'll try.
And the floor?
Yeah, watch.